KGB. Today we are celebrating the Onam function. Onam is the harvest festival of Kerala. It has celebrated 10 days from Attam to Tiruvonam. It is called Festival of Flower. It has celebrated to welcome the Magabali king. Kathakali, Pulikali, Tiruvathiragali are some of the dance forms performed during Onam festival. People have delicious food and celebrate Onam festival. Happy Onam to all. Thank you.